Guys, coming up, we have some Alpine 4 technology news. We have some all-time highs on my own personal portfolio to do with the position that I have Tesla, as well as some new free shares that I've received. So be sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end to get all the full value that I intend on delivering. YouTube, it's Ronny MP.
It's RonnyMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronny MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronny MP, where we bring you guys a bunch of videos suggested by, well, guess what, not just a bunch of videos, but a bunch of financial videos that actually matter, that will contribute to changing your life. So be sure to smash that like button right now, like seriously right now. It only takes a few seconds, but it honestly does help propel this video and bring it to new viewers such as you and me. So that like button, subscribe button, everything else is in the description down below. But guess what, the Discord group is actually popping, and by popping I mean it's increasing. More and more conversation, helping out beginners, so I absolutely love it. So be sure, once you've clicked the subscribe button, the notification bell, that like button, you join the Discord group and you get started. So the conversation that we're having today is about Alpine 4, and as I mentioned, my portfolio I've seen all-time high, okay, for my portfolio. And bear in mind, we only started investing into that portfolio 2 months and a bit ago, so that's amazing right there. But Alpine 4, keeping it 100 with you guys, I'll just tell you right now up front, it's a stock that if I had money, spare money lying around, because as you guys know, I'm a Tesla bull and I intend on investing a ton of money into Tesla and just watch the growth throughout the years. But if I did have some spare money lying around, I'll definitely invest it into Alpine 4 technology, because I can see the growth. A lot of news around Alpine 4. Alpine 4 Technologies, it's quite a mouthful, but you know, Alpine 4 Technology, especially with the blacklisting of Digi, which they had about 80% of the market, I believe, under their belt, but because of their ties with the Chinese government and some, I don't know, leaking some information and just some spy secret agent stuff, all right, they've been blacklisted, and that is major, blacklisted. So now we've got Alpine 4 Technology, the holding company, which is going to be doing some insane stuff. Okay, so I've got this video that I wanted us to watch together, that's going to help also, you know, give us some more details into sort of what's going on, some of the updates, some of the news, whether it's a good stock for you, when to buy and hold, I don't know, all of these things. A lot of people are in it for the profit. It was a nice Christmas present to know that, not me, unfortunately I haven't got the shares of Alpine 4 Technology, but it was a nice Christmas present for the investors to be able to see that it will be added onto Nasdaq in about a few months. So that's come on, that's money. Cha-ching. A lot of them are just seeing like cha-chings in the face. So I'm sure they said, yeah, that's a great idea. Let's make some of this money right now. So without further ado, let's get into the video that I wanted to see.
As it has a finger in many pies and is continuing to expand, driven by what it calls DSF strategy.
This is amazing. Alpine 4
Technology, pursuing a strategy that focuses on investing in drivers, stabilizers, and facilitators. Drivers are businesses that are poised for substantial growth in industries where they have massive upside potential for revenue growth and market share.
Wow.
Stabilizers are those companies who have long-lasting customer relationships and track records of consistent revenues and profitability. Alpine 4 defines facilitators as businesses which make it possible for drivers and stabilizers to operate. They're companies which join the dots or provide that missing piece of the jigsaw puzzle in the operations of businesses in the other two categories. Alpine 4 is effectively a holding company with investments in businesses that operate in 4 key sectors, which are software.
So that's what I mentioned, guys. It's effectively a holding company, but the future is geared towards drones, because their new acquisition that they, you know, which I'm sure this video will go on to mention, but that's amazing. It's to do with drones and whatnot. Okay, I don't want to spoil it, just in case it's mentioned in this video, but it's to do with, some of you guys, most of you guys know anyways, but it's to do do with drones, and I genuinely believe that drones are the future. Amazon alone, there were talks on, like, you know, they plan on delivering Amazon products now with drones. You just be in the back of your garden, set a mat that has a tracking ID for the drone to land, which matches with your delivery number and all of that, so it knows that it's delivering to the right house and not just some, I don't know, some random thief or whatever. And then the drone just lands and drops off your package. So the future it's looking hella bright right now. The future is truly looking bright. So that's why you can see there's a lot of frenzy and hype around this right now, and a lot of people already have made some silly gains, some insane returns on this. So
Automotive technology,
future's looking great, man. The future's looking really good.
These sectors are seen by Alpine 4 as either being in the midst of an innovation boom or are ripe for disruption by fresh technology and new ideas. Unlike many businesses which wind down over the holidays, Alpine 4 Technologies kept its manufacturer.
That's it, the drone manufacturing Value, the company that they acquired, which is awesome.
Takeoff and landing autonomous aircraft that are used in areas such as Canada, Australia, and sub-Saharan Africa.
Autonomous.
To transport medicines or critical components and to monitor infrastructure in remote locations.
So these are locations that it's very difficult for you to quickly reach, okay, especially if it's abroad or in some of the areas that they've mentioned. I know from being born in Africa alone, there's some areas in Africa where there's no roads. You're going to have to go through the jungle to be able to rescue lives for medicines and things of that nature. So you can see how acquiring such a company is value is going to be so beneficial to the holding company, Alpine 4 Technology, as well as some of the big boy moves that they plan to make. So that is really, honestly speaking, that's a golden move right there. That's going to help them to move forward, you know.
Recently acquired in the unmanned aerial vehicle sector. Impossible Aerospace.
By the way, shout out to Pink Diamond and the investing channel
for use by emergency services
for this video
and first responders. Alpine 4 believes that the combination of these two businesses can improve synergies and co-working opportunities.
That's it.
Alpine 4 Technologies is currently OTC listed, but it's not
over the counter
business with a market cap of $495 million. However, the company's management has bigger ambitions and have recently announced their intention to list the stock on Nasdaq in order to drive shareholder value.
That is it right there, and I honestly believe that's going to drive the share value, the shareholders' value by a ton. Already people are getting excited about it. People in my Discord group, which I mentioned to you guys to join in the description down below if you want to join, are already getting excited and mentioning, have I bought any positions and whatnot. And my honest, transparent opinion is, if I had some spare money lying around that I didn't want to dump into Tesla, which I'm going to be showing you guys the portfolio at the end, so stick around for that, I would. Honestly speaking, transparent right there, I would, because it seems like they're heading towards everything is matching with what I'm doing or planning on doing with Tesla. So autonomous, you know, these drones drive or fly themselves by themselves. So that's amazing, right? Come on, let's be honest. That's amazing. So I would. That's my honest opinion and honest answer. I 1,000% would invest.
Per annum can be
But
scaled
as always, it's not financial advice. I'm just keeping it real with you guys.
That Alpine 4 can grow into a multi-billion-dollar concern and will be in the process of applying for and securing a full listing in the coming weeks with applications to FINRA and the SEC.
Wow.
It's perhaps no surprise that a business as interesting and dynamic as Alpine 4 should have attracted interest from Wall Street professionals. Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking database, has identified 693 searches about Alpine 4 Technologies by 128 institutional investors. That level of interest put the company in the top 3 most researched pink sheet stocks within Trackstar IQ's database. The pro traders' interest will also have been piqued by the performance of the company's shares in the last quarter of 2020. Over the last 3 months, Alpine 4 stock has rallied by almost 3,600%. The shares are up.
That jump is incredible.
In the last month and 49% over the last week of 2020.
So just to add on there as well, to do with the share price, I have seen a lot of people mention to me, oh, how about the drop? You know, it's dropped to, because it's obviously penny stocks, right? We're still dealing with like the pennies and then the £3 between round about that price. But I truly believe that in the future, in the long run, this is one of them stocks that you buy and not that you forget about, but you buy and hold, okay? Because in the long run, in the long term, once EVs dominate the world, which they will, and then we start progressing deep into that, that AI and autonomous, and everything is just, it's expected to have a product that does things for itself. Because right now we don't really, isn't it? We have to manually do a lot of stuff and all of that. But I'm on about when it's like, it's standard, industry standard to have at least the warehouse to have a bunch of robots doing a ton of stuff and then just a few employees. When it's normal, all of these things are normal now. This stock is going to be way past the billions. Hopefully everything goes fine. It doesn't have like, I don't know, some dodgy like Digi, where it's, oh, by the way, it's run by China and then it has to get banned from the US or blacklisted. Hopefully none of that, which clearly it's not. We saw the CEO right there, but I'm just saying that because you never knew. Who could have predicted about Digi? Nobody. So I'm just saying, guys, I'm just saying.
Have on your watch list, as it could move on to bigger and better things in the not
That's
too
right.
distant future.
That's exactly what I just said.
About our Trackstar IQ data. Sign up
do believe
for our free newsletter
that's it.
at investingchannel.com.
That's it. So so the investing channel, thank you ever so much. That is awesome content, as well as Pink Diamonds. Because that was it. It's painting a picture for me, okay? It's painting a picture where they are going, and I like to see that when a company is just starting out. I like to see that vision. If I'm able to look at a company and I'm like, you know what? Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Let me put some cooking in it. I actually see this company going far, moving far. Guess what's going to happen? You're going to start to attract investors. Why? Because it's simple. People understand it. People invest in what they find simple. If they didn't find it simple or confusing, they weren't going to invest. By the way, smash that like button if you're finding value in this video right now, because it takes time to put this together. So really do appreciate it, as well as the subscribe button. All right. So now, for example, say you wanted to get started investing and you said, okay, I want to now, I like this. I want to get started with investing. Well, what you're going to need is you're going to need an invest account with Trading 212. You can't invest or buy it on an ISA because it won't appear. I'm sure some of you guys maybe have tried using Trading 212 and trying to find Alpine 4 technology and you haven't. This is the reason why it won't pop. So this is it right here. I'm into my Trading 212 account. If I went, and by the way, this is the ISA. If I typed Alpine, the only thing that comes up basically is Alpine Immune Science. You might, if you're a beginner, you might think, oh, that's it, and you go ahead and buy shares of it. Please do not, because that is not the Alpine 4 technology that we are talking about. All right, this is, I don't know, some other company, and you see Nasdaq right at the bottom right there, so you might genuinely believe that that is it, but that is not it. Do not fall for it. What you will need to do is you will need to be in the invest side of things. So this is the account now where all of the money in it, you'd have to pay taxes, not tax free or anything. As you guys can see on this one, I don't use it. So you type Alpine 4, so you have to have an invest account, not an ISA, and you type Alpine 4. It comes up by itself, just Alpine, but there it is right there. And you can see the other one that you could mistake it as Alpine Immune Science is right there. So it's obviously not that one, it's Alpine 4 Technologies. If you select that, that's the current price right now. Obviously the market is closed, so it's currently hovering around £2.7 or $2.07 pence. You can see that spike, okay, and then it just took a major dip all the way down below. But from then, when it started to the 8th of November 2020, you can see it's just been literally exponential growth. All right, but this is expected, especially around some of the news that we're hearing about Alpine 4 technology. So, and when it's the beginning, it's not everything. I understand not every company has that sort of trend where they just shoot up, but however, they did, because of the news that's around them, the hype that they're building, and the clarity. I would say that's really what's winning a lot of people over. Okay, but now to go to my portfolio, I did tell you guys, if you wait through at the end, I will show you guys my all-time high on my portfolio, and this is it. We're currently into the ISA now. Okay, and by the way, with Trading 212, if you do want to get started, you're thinking, what the heck is this company that Ronny MP is talking about? This is Trading 212. This is what I use to be able to purchase stocks, OTCs, over-the-counter stocks abroad, and just basically to purchase stocks in general, and it's commission free. Okay, so if you do want to get started, there's a link, a special link. By the way, someone's just joined the Discord group, so shout out to Josh Steed 1234. All right, you get a shout out because I'm doing this live. But there's a link in the description. If you do want to join, just click on that link and it's going to basically sign you up for the Trading 212. This way you're going to get a free share. All you have to do is deposit £1 into the account, and Trading 212 will give you a free share that's valued up to £100. You get a free share, I get a free share, best of both worlds. All right, so be sure to do that and get your free money. I'm not paying, they are, so if they're paying, hey, you might as well make the best out of it, most out of it, if you're going to be investing anyways. So I received some free shares. So today I received 2 free shares under my notification. You can see right there at 7:22 today. I had a free share of General Electric. So you might get General Electric, you might get, I don't know, Uber, Puma, whatever it is. You might get whatever they decide, basically. EasyJet, and then there's another EasyJet right there which I received today as well. So for today, there's 2 free shares that I received, and this is what they look like now. So this is my portfolio. These are the 2 free shares. So you can see EasyJet at £8 free. That's free money, which is the same thing that you're going to receive if you click the link in the description down below. So that's free money. 1 free share of EasyJet, which is at a profit. So beautiful. I'm happy. 32 pence I've made on that. And then now I've got 3 shares of GE, General Electric, which were all free. And I had a bunch, by the way. I had a ton of free shares, but I've sold them and bought positions in Tesla because that's what I plan on investing in long term. So I might as well cash them out and buy it. So can you see, just by recommending people, you get to get free money and invest into something that could be a beast in the future, hence to why I'm buying Tesla. So now talking about my Tesla position, you can currently see the position is now worth £8,443. I initially invested 6.2k into the portfolio itself, and I've turned 6.2 into 8.4. Okay, and this, by the way, is in under 3 months. Under 3 months that we've been able to do this. When I first started, as I always tell you, you're doing it wrong, blah, blah, blah. Just listen to your instincts and do your own research when it comes to this. All right. Because obviously, as you know, it's not financial advice, but for me, it's me keeping it 100 with you guys in regards to what I'm doing. So if you click on Tesla now, you can see the current price is 755. The market is currently closed. We do know that. However, I do believe maybe we might see a tiny dip tomorrow, but overall the trend should carry on going back up. Okay, and it's exploding right now. All right, it is definitely exploding right now. A lot of people, they are getting on board, but I have to be honest with you, a lot of people didn't really see it. You know, it was when you invested a lot of money into Tesla, you were known as a fanboy, fangirl. Now everyone's getting on a hype like Tesla. Which, if there's a major dip, they're just gonna sell off, and they don't understand what the future holds for Tesla and where Tesla is trying to go. You see, so when you do a lot of research, you start to understand that, you know what, yeah, I see the future and I'm going to be buying. I don't care what price it is right now. I'm going to be buying. Why? In 5, 10, 15, 20 years time, it's going to be worth a fortune. Okay. So that's my average price, which increased because I've been buying as I'm going. So had I have just dumped all my money right at the beginning, this portfolio will be easily like 11k, 10k. But you're going to see that number on this portfolio anyway. So we're currently at 35%, as you guys can see right there. And I am more than happy with the gains I've been able to make on this portfolio. Guys, I've got a funny one. If you watched the video all the way till the end, I want you to comment Alpine 4 technology, baby. Okay, with that baby is very important. First of all, it's just funny, Alpine 4 technology, baby. But it will let me know that you watched it all the way up until the end, because the majority of people are just saying, oh, I'm not going to type that. And so obviously it lets me know who's putting in the work and who's really supporting. I appreciate people that are supporting me, and I just want to show you, you know, equally, or if not even more love back, because you could be doing anything with your busy day, but you're taking your time to watch your boy Ronny MP. So I love to appreciate people that appreciate me. So if you could do that for myself in the comment section and just comment Alpine 4 technology, baby, and it will let me know, obviously, that you watched the video all the way up until this point, till the end. All right, don't forget to smash that like button if you found value once more. That subscribe button is down below in the description, near the description box. You'll see it right there. Trading 212 is also in the description down below. If you deposit £1 into the account, they give you a share that's valued up to £100. The Discord link also below, and yeah, that notification bell. There we go. So everything that you need resource-wise is down in the description down below. If you're a beginner, join the Discord group. Things are popping on there. How many times do I have to tell you? And that's it. All right. By watching this video, guys, you did not waste your time. Don't forget to tell your haters to get in line. I, my friend, will catch you guys on another video. But before you go, since you enjoyed watching this video, you're going to love watching these two videos right here. I make it with love and value packed so that you guys can find value from it and progress. All right. This the subscribe button is right there once more. Peace out, much love, and bye bye, guys.